Uncovering the hidden reasons your ex left. There's nothing worse than a breakup that comes out of nowhere. You thought things were going great, and then your partner suddenly calls it quits. But even though the breakup may seem sudden, there's usually a hidden reason why your ex left. Understanding these reasons can help you make sense of the situation and even help you repair the relationship. The first step to understanding why your ex left is to identify the signs. Maybe they were distant or uninterested in your conversations. Maybe they were always busy or had to cancel plans. These are all signs that something was wrong in the relationship. Once you've identified the signs, it's time to look for the underlying causes. It could be something as simple as a lack of communication or something more complex like a difference in values. It's important to be honest with yourself and look at the relationship objectively to find the root of the problem. Once you know why your ex left, it's time to take action. If the problem was a lack of communication, then it's important to open up and be honest with your ex. If it was a difference in values, then it's important to acknowledge the differences and find a way to compromise. The key is to be willing to change and to work together to make the relationship better. It can be hard to admit that the relationship wasn't perfect, but it's important to be honest with yourself and your ex. If you can identify the hidden reasons why your ex left and work together to fix them, then you may be able to repair the relationship and move forward. It's important to remember that relationships take work. If you're willing to put in the effort to understand why your ex left and make the necessary changes, then you may be able to save the relationship. But if the problem is too deep, then it may be time to accept that the relationship is over and move on. No matter what the outcome, it's important to be honest with yourself and your ex. Understanding the hidden reasons why your ex left can help you make sense of the situation and even help you repair the relationship. With the right approach, you may be able to save the relationship and move forward.